This is our house when we bought it. It had been a rental property since construction, and almost nothing had been done in the yard. We needed a real deck. Time for a DIY. But hey, it's only money, and now we have our materials and the deck is gonna look great. We decided on a 2-tiered deck, made with treated lumber, a wood and aluminum railing, and a privacy wall. The wall was designed to be slatted wood with a feature Oasis panel. Wait till you see the results. Aside from the stairs, this was the hardest part of the project, getting the deck square and level. It's all framed and ready for some crushed rock. Hey, that's better. Laying landscaping fabric and crushed rock underneath. Once the picture frame was finished, it was just a matter of putting the top on. Whew, we have a real deck now. Now to get started on the lower level. We used camel blocks to build the deck as close to the ground as possible. Aggregate material to level the camel blocks, then landscaping fabric and crushed rock. We decided to do a double picture frame on the lower deck. It was a bit more materials, but definitely worth it. We used the Camel Marksman Pro Guide tool to drill the screws through the edge of the board. The tool allows spacing between the deck boards, but my husband ended up using some floor spacers to help him out since he was working alone and we had some really curved deck boards. Doesn't it look great? It's not done yet. Time for the privacy wall. A U-channel kit was used for the slatted privacy wall. The next section going up was the feature panel, made up of half slatted wood topped off by the Oasis privacy panel, so the U-channels had to be cut to fit. The Oasis panel was mounted on 2x4s using L brackets that came with the panel, and rail connectors were used to mount to the posts. And here's the Oasis panel that goes on top. We decided to add a freestanding panel to the lower deck too, just to help cozy up the space and to tie the whole look together. We ran out of deck boards before we could finish the wall, so my husband got started on the railing. while I ran out to do a material run. We used a baluster kit for the handrails. The kit was easy to work with, and we loved the combination of the black with the natural wood. The stairs are not part of this video. Let's just say we worked on them together. They look great, and somehow we're still married. With more materials and more hard work, the project was coming to an end. It was just finishing touches, putting on the post caps and the base covers. Our deck was finished. What an improvement! This was our first deck build, and it turned out amazing. But the work doesn't stop here. We still have plenty of landscaping to do around the deck. Never mind the inside of this rental house. But for now, we're going to take a break, relax, and enjoy the deck. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and be sure to subscribe to see us on the next DIY.